Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, a place where forgotten materials find new purpose, and old stories are given a beautiful second life. Somewhere between the echo of old factories and the quiet corners of scrapyards, forgotten machines sit patiently covered in dust, marked by rust, and filled with stories no one stops to hear anymore. These machines once moved industries, shaped livelihoods, and carried the weight of human effort. Today, they are labeled obsolete, pushed aside, and forgotten. But here at Kuki Decor, we believe their journey is far from over. Every worn gear, every steel frame, every scar left by time holds a quiet kind of beauty. Not the polished kind you find in showrooms, but a deeper beauty, one born from resilience, purpose, and history. When you look closely, these machines are not broken endings. They are unfinished stories waiting for a new chapter. In the stillness of abandoned workshops, potential lives quietly beneath layers of rust. What others see as scrap, we see as raw material for transformation. A machine base can become the foundation of a statement table. A steel wheel can turn into sculptural decor. A forgotten part can become a piece that anchors a space and starts conversations. This is where imagination begins, where old steel meets new vision. At Kuki Decor, we don't just transform materials, we honor their past while shaping their future. We believe creativity has the power to turn industrial remnants into luxury decor, and forgotten machines into designs that feel bold, modern, and meaningful. More than that, we believe these transformations can create real value pieces that not only tell a story, but also open doors to opportunity and income. So as you watch, take a moment to slow down and see these machines differently. Listen to their silence, feel their weight, and imagine what they could become. Because hidden inside what the world calls obsolete is potential waiting to be reimagined, and today, we begin that journey together. Rust is not just decay, it is time made visible. It settles slowly, layer by layer, marking years of labor and exposure. Every scratch, every worn edge on industrial steel carries the memory of movement, pressure, and purpose. These materials were shaped by human hands, guided by skill, and trusted to endure demanding work day after day. Long before they were abandoned, they served with strength and reliability. The wear you see on old machinery is not damage, it is evidence of dedication. Smoothened corners reveal where hands once rested. Faded surfaces tell of repetition and routine. Bolts tightened and loosened countless times speak of maintenance, care, and responsibility. These marks are the fingerprints of craftsmanship, quiet proof that someone once relied on this machine to do meaningful work. Time transforms steel in ways no designer can replicate. It softens sharp edges, deepens textures, and adds character that cannot be manufactured. Rust warms cold metal with earthy tones. Patina creates depth, contrast, and honesty. In a world of mass production and flawless finishes, these imperfections feel human. They remind us that beauty doesn't come from perfection, it comes from endurance. Craftsmanship lives inside these materials. The precision of old welds, the balance of mechanical parts, the logic behind every curve and connection all reflect a time when things were built to last. These machines were not designed for trends, they were built for function, longevity, and trust. That philosophy remains embedded in the metal itself. If you're inspired by the beauty of transformation, by the stories hidden in steel and wood, and by the possibilities waiting in forgotten scrap, then join us on this creative journey. Subscribe to Kuki Decor and be part of a community that discovers, reimagines, and celebrates the art of turning the old into something extraordinary. Every day, we share new ideas, projects, and inspiration to help you see potential where others see waste and to create decor that is meaningful, beautiful, and even profitable. Wood meets metal, warm grain pressed against cool steel. The contrast is powerful. Rough textures soften beside smooth finishes. Heavy forms are balanced with clean lines. What was once purely functional becomes intentional, refined, and visually striking. You don't just see the piece, you feel its strength, its stability, its story. This is the moment where scrap becomes decor, where weight becomes value, and where transformation feels almost alive. The object doesn't lose its industrial soul, it gains purpose. It moves from noise and labor into stillness and beauty, ready to live inside modern spaces and start new conversations. Remember, at Kuki Decor, we post videos every single day, bringing you fresh inspiration for turning scrap, old wood, and industrial materials into beautiful decor, innovative designs, and even income-generating projects. Whether you're looking to spark your creativity, learn new upcycling techniques, or discover profitable ways to transform forgotten materials, our daily content is here to guide, inspire, and encourage you to see potential where others see waste.